Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Euro Truck. I actually didn't hit the record button. We have just left the yard though, and let's see if we can drive and look at the same time. We're carrying 17 tons of yogurt. We have 8 hours to get there, but we're gonna be there sooner than that because it's only 129 miles, so we will hit the road as if we already haven't. And boy, there's a lot of windy roads here. And truth be told, I haven't driven in like a week, so I feel a little rusty behind the wheel of this truck right now. It's like I'm trying to get used to the controls all over again, but oh well. Alright, looks like the road's opening up. Oh god, that right hand steering, I don't know what the deal is with it. It looks like we're driving at night now. We've only got $3,400 to pay back our debt. And the good news is we're going to make like 35 off of this load, so we'll be paid off completely after we make this delivery, and we'll have $100 in the bank about. So it's all profit from here after this load, which is kind of a good news because I've been kind of tired of making these last few deliveries for free. Well, I guess I'm only going to be breaking even. That's assuming that we make it there in one piece without damaging the load at all, which we're going to attempt to do. Oh boy, gosh, they gave me a truck again with hardly any gas in it. I think I probably have enough. I've only got 112 miles to go. I think I'm going to be okay. I hope I'm going to be okay. Feeling pretty confident about it though. So I was finally able to record one of the game series that I want to do is Minecraft multiplayer, and I've been trying to record one, but it seems like for such a simple basic game something always goes wrong with it. But I think I finally got one recorded that I can use, and that's going to be a great time as soon as I get it edited. And shoot, I might do that before I do this one. We'll just have to wait and see. That one might already be up. If it is, go check out the videos and see if it's there. It's going to be a good time. It's me and Nicholas playing Minecraft multiplayer. No real goal in mind, but except having a good time. I dislike traffic very much, especially when they act like morons. See if I can get some coffee while we're on this straightaway in traffic. We've got 85 miles to go before delivering our, I don't know, what was it, 19 tons of yogurt. Probably a specific reason why we're doing this at nighttime when it's nice and cool. guys always catch me off guard when they stop at the train tracks. I guess it's a good thing, but kind of never expect it. I mean, I see buses and stuff stopping at train tracks here in the real world, but I don't think I've ever seen a big rig stop at train tracks like that. Doesn't mean it doesn't happen, I just don't see it. Alright, a little premature on that blinker. I see on the GPS we're going to be making a right-hand turn. Looks like we're getting on the freeway. We can open this bad boy up a little bit and try to get this load delivered. Oh, I didn't want to come to a complete stop. Was uneventful. Didn't take down any signs with this big trailer. I didn't even see if there were any signs there. Come on, truck, get up the hill. All I've ever seen in this game are 3-lane freeways. I wonder if that's how it is over there in the UK, or if you know, if anywhere over there, if they have like a 4 or 5 lane like we have here in America. Yeah, it feels good to be going a little bit faster now. At least we're not just pissing our time away trying to get a load delivered and get out of debt. We're going to be there at 61 miles. Looks like we've got an hour and 34 minutes. In-game time, obviously, not real-life time. Whoa, hello, let me over. God, those things sneak up on you like that. I don't like it when they do that. It's not as bad in the daytime, but still terrible nonetheless. And I also don't like those little wake-up bumps on the side of the road, especially when you're a driver that is as bad as I am. You're always hitting those, and I'm sure you guys have been annoyed by them by now. Shoot, if you've heard them once, you've been annoyed by them. 42 miles to go. Go across this bridge, get into town, get this load delivered, stay in the middle lane just in case another one of those exits wants to sneak up on me. Trying to drink coffee and drive at the same time when you're a terrible truck driver is not a good mixture, but I'm exhausted, and it's actually daytime right now. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, but it was a late night last night playing Grand Theft Auto. And what I've been doing a lot in Grand Theft Auto in the LCPDFR mod is, I mean, I haven't recorded any of it obviously, but I've just been cruising around Liberty City and kind of trying to get used to the layout, the landscape, where everything is, where you can go, what you can do, what buildings can be accessed, just all sorts of things. Just cruising all over the city, having a good time, wasting time. I'm not sure if that's something, I mean, 80% of the time I'm not even doing it as a cop, just as a civilian. So I don't know if that's something you guys would be interested in seeing, or if you'd rather not see it. Let me know anyway down in the comments, or send me a message or something. And if that's something you guys want to see, then gosh darn it, I stopped again. Anyway, if that's something you guys want to see, then we can get it going for sure. It's kind of fun just cruising around. I haven't found the I went in the subway once, but the script crashed on me right when I was going down into the subway. So I haven't been able to find it again yet. I mean, I haven't put a huge amount of effort into finding it. I seem to get sidetracked real easily finding other stuff. There's so much to do around that town, I guess you could say. But I'd like to go cruise around the subway for a while and just kind of check it out and see what kind of new scenery and stuff it has to offer. And we're raining. Oh, there's a guardrail there. Darn it, I'm gonna hit it, aren't I? Oh, it looks like I cleared it. This is just not... a lot of surprises in Euro Truck driving at nighttime. And they're the same surprises, it seems. Guardrails are a good example. I wish we could have like some alley lights on these trucks to see better out the side. Alright, we're coming into town now to deliver this final load that's going to get us out of debt. Colne. Is that how that's pronounced? Colne? I've discovered a recruiting agency, but I don't want to hire any employees. Not right now, at least. I want every dollar I make to be my money. Is it illegal to change lanes in an intersection? I'm pretty sure it is here. Of course, I guess it's only illegal if you get caught. I need to go and stay in this lane anyway. Thank you, green light. Oh, darn it. That was almost a mishap, huh? These are those times that I'm kind of glad these brakes work good. It looks like we have arrived. Go unhook this trailer and have a good time. Enjoy the fruits of our labor. And there's where our trailer's going. Hey, thanks for watching, everyone. If you like what you see, subscribe. There's going to be a lot more, obviously the Grand Theft Auto and LCPDFR. We're doing the Minecraft and Just all sorts of games. Again, thanks for watching, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure.